Question number 18. I read this sentence, guys, please make sure you read from beginning to end. Okay, it's really important because you don't know, honestly, right? So read from beginning until end. People in the Americas blank the bottom word, a large bit of fruit, da 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 da. I'm missing a verb in the sentence. What did people do? Right, to use, A is not a verb. It's infinitive. Infinitives are not counted as action verbs or main verbs. Answer A is incorrect. Answer B, have used. Ring a ding ding. Why? Well, number one, this is the only action verb. What is an action verb? What is a main verb? It needs to show us tense. So number one, it's the only main verb. Number two, 4,000 of years indicates present perfect tense. So we're going to say answer B. Answer C, having used, is not a verb, creates a fragment. Answer D is not a verb, it creates a fragment. Our best answer is answer B. Question number 19. Make sure you read the full entire text. Here we have two independent ideas in this text. The Alvarez theory maintained that, and it left unexplored. So we have two independent ideas here in this sentence. If you look at the answer choices, answer A is incorrect because it is a run-on sentence. Answer B is correct because we have a comma fanboys between the two independent ideas. Answer C is incorrect because it too is a run-on sentence. And answer D is incorrect because it is a comma splice. What is a comma splice? A comma between two independent ideas.